Hello, my name is Tom Felice, and I'm an applications engineer for the RF product line here at Tektronix. I'll be introducing to you 10 great new features of the latest SignalVu-PC release. The latest 3.11 release of SignalVu-PC has many exciting new features and performance improvements, most available to customers at no additional cost. The SignalVu-PC 3.11 upgrade is available for immediate download on Tek.com. The following are some of the highlights of this release. Customers have asked for faster sweep speeds on our USB instruments. The new release of SignalVu-PC 3.11 really delivers here. For the RSA 306B, for example, sweep speed performance is now up to 6 times faster. Let's take a look. Here we see the sweep speed performance of our previous release of SignalVu-PC. With a 1 MHz RBW, a full span 6.2 GHz sweep took roughly 2.2 seconds. Now with the latest release of SignalVu-PC, full span sweep time is only about 380 milliseconds. A full span 6.2 GHz sweep now occurs 2 to 3 times per second. In the previous version of SignalVu-PC with our USB spectrum analyzers, 100 microseconds was the minimum signal duration guaranteed to be captured in DPX with 100% certainty. That limit has now been removed and is dependent on the performance of the host PC. With a high-performance PC, minimum signal durations can be as low as 16 microseconds. As PC performance improves, so will your DPX performance. While previous releases of SignalVu-PC worked in most cases on Windows 10 PCs, SignalVu-PC is now fully tested and supported by Tektronix to run on the Microsoft Windows 10 operating system. Our USB-based instruments are particularly suited as low-cost pre-compliance testers for electromagnetic compatibility or EMC testing. To get comparable results to a compliance-level receiver, you must use the correct filters as specified by the EMC standards bodies, the FCC and the CE. These include the CISPR, Quasi Peak detection and averaging methods. These detectors and methods are now available as a low-cost option. Typically, during pre-compliance testing, customers often like to capture many spurious traces of a test setup, especially in ambient capture with the same setup but the DUT turned off, to identify potential interferers in the test. It is now possible to save and recall multiple traces in the spurious measurement display. SignalVu-PC licenses can now be associated with and stored on any Tek USB spectrum analyzer, in addition to the existing PC-based licensing model. Storing licenses on the instrument enables your licenses to go with the instrument, which is a more traditional test and measurement licensing model. In addition, for new instrument purchases, licenses can now be preloaded by the Tektronix factory, avoiding the hassle of the post-purchase manual licensing procedure. Amplitude corrections are now available across all SignalVu-PC measurements. This capability was once only available with the RSA 6000 and 5000 series spectrum analyzers. Other instruments offer only trace corrections and do not save corrected I and Q data for later analysis. With the latest release of SignalVu-PC, user-defined amplitude versus frequency corrections can be applied across the board. The latest Bluetooth 5 transmitter test measurements have been added to SignalVu-PC. Bluetooth 5 offers 2 new standards: low energy 2 megabits per second or LE2M for higher data rates, and low energy coded or LE coded with error correction for longer range. The new application complies with the Bluetooth SIG RF measurement specifications and also decodes the physical layer data with color coding of all the packet fields. One of the most powerful features of SignalVu-PC and Tek's USB and wideband RSA 7100A spectrum analyzers is the ability to record and stream gapless RF data to disk. Customers can now use the industry-standard Midas streaming file format to enable greater integration with third-party applications. This is particularly important for many MilGov applications. Wi-Fi standards are continually evolving, and Tektronix is working hard to enhance our support of new wireless standards. For those customers using our wireless LAN measurements option, SignalVu-PC now supports 1024 QALM analysis and decoding. Finally, I would like to mention the new release of SignalVu-PC's sister product, DataVu-PC. DataVu-PC is Tektronix RF data mining tool that allows customers to analyze and search for the proverbial RF pin in the spectral haystack. One powerful new feature of this latest release of DataVu-PC is the ability to stream data from 2 USB spectrum analyzers simultaneously. This enables customers to search wide and capture narrow when a signal of interest occurs.
Thank you for watching. Find out more at Vicom's website.